Hey, hope you guys are doing well. My name is Faiza and welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to be making my all-time favorite go-to salad. It's called a tomato cherry salad. It's very easy to make. It requires few ingredients, so let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, I'm going to be starting with cherry tomatoes, of course, and I'm going to be using their brand Nature Sweet. They have the most delicious cherry tomatoes. You're also going to be needing some Persian cucumbers, red onions, and coriander as well. Guys, I'm going to be starting with cherry tomatoes and I'm going to cut them in half. I'm also going to be slicing up cucumbers and red onions as well. Guys, I love using coriander in salads, but you guys can use any herb, it'll do the job as well. Now add a tablespoon of olive oil. We're also adding half teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of sugar. I'm also going to be adding black pepper and some garlic powder for improved flavors. And there you have it, guys. This is your cherry tomato salad. It tastes so good, it's so easy to make, and I love making this almost every week. I love feta cheese. I love the way it tastes in salads. So I'm going to be putting it in my own bowl. My husband's not a fan of it, that's why I don't mix it up. But if you guys like feta cheese in your house, you guys can add it in the mixing bowl as well. If you guys like the recipe, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care.